Oregon Congresswoman Janelle Bynum, along with both Democratic and Republican lawmakers from California and Oregon, introduced new legislation this week focused on wildfires. It's called the Protect Innocent Victims of Taxation After Fire Extension Act. The bill expands protections introduced back in 2024 and aims to help wildfire victims recover more quickly. The key changes include an extension of the tax exemptions for wildfire victims. The other key change is it allows victims to claim their exemptions in the year payments are received, instead of having to file an amended return and wait for the IRS. Representative Bynum stressed families rebuilding after wildfires should not have their relief money taxed. Oregon Republican Representative Cliff Benz also chimed in, saying before 2024, relief funds were unfairly taxed. He says this legislation ensures victims are not penalized.